Hey guys, in this video we'll be talking about how to add functions inside a structure. So this is the same code I'll be using which we used in the earlier example. I will leave the link of the previous video in the description where we talked about how to create a structure and how to access the values and put the data to it. So adding a function to a struct is pretty simple. So it's the same way how we define a function. So we'll be using a func keyword and we'll be giving the function name. So let me give the function name as update age, and it receives a age parameter of type integer. Now this is a normal functional declaration. So in order to make it part of this structure, we need to define the type of that structure. Now before the function name, we need to open and close this parenthesis. So inside this parenthesis, we'll be writing a variable name. Let me call it myvar, and we need to give a pointer to the structure to which we are adding this function. Now I'll be using this user because I'm adding this function to this struct user. Okay. Now once I add this, I will get a reference of user structure, whichever object is calling it, and I'll be having a reference to this inside this function. I'll be able to use it. Now let's add it. Now it says update age, right? Now I'm gonna update myvar.age equals to whatever age will be received. Now let's quickly check this program. Now I have added a function. Now let's quickly call that function. Now here where I'm printing the age, let me call it user1 dot update age. Now here some age will be there, so that will be printed. So I'll be adding the new age. Okay, I'll be adding it as 30. Then after adding, let's try to print it. Users updated ages. Now let's execute this. Now here user age is 20 and users updated age is 30. Now similarly, you can add any number of functions. So before adding any other function, let's see what's the importance of this adding functions to the struct. Now any business logic we want to add, right, about a particular structure, we can enclose that in the struct a function which is part of that structure. Now as you see here in the bottom, we have added a add age function, which is a public function. So anybody can call this function, right? Add age, because it's a public function. Now whereas this update age can only be called with the help of a variable which is of type defined by our structure, right? So this is the way how we add a function to the structure. So hope you guys understood it, and let me know in the comment section if you do have any doubt. I'll do my best to clarify them. That's it for this video, guys. Bye bye.